welcome to C# programming for beginner class. This is my 7th video, and in this video I will talk about variable scope. So what is variable scope? Basically, variable scopes show the state of variable. It means how the variable is defined, where the variable is defined, and where we can access the variable, where we can actually declare the variable, and where we can access that variable. So that is very important topic in programming. It's not just related to C#, it's related to general programming. So if you want to be a programmer, so you need to define lots of variables, and you need to access all of them. So you should know that where we can define the variable and where we can access that variable. So basically that's all about the variable scope. So C# variable scopes, C# programming language also have, as I told, it's basically not about C# programming, it's all about programming. In C# programming, variable scopes are local variables that are inside the function. These variables are declared inside the functions. So these variables called local variables, instance variable or non-static variable. These variables are defined outside the inside the class but outside the function. And static variables or class variables, these variables are defined with the keyword of static, and it's same as instant variable. Both of them are defined inside the class but outside the function. But with the instant variable, we don't write the static keyword, but with the static variable we write the static keyword. So constant variable, as it shows from the name of constant, it's defined, assigned the value, and it can be changed later. So this is the variable that we can change the value, and this variable is defined with the keyword of const. And also read only variable is also same as constant variable. We define the read only variable with the read only keyword, but the difference between the constant and read only variable is this, that constant variable can be changed, but read only variable can be modified after initializing a constructor. So we will talk these all step by step. So that's enough for this video. See you in next video.